Chapter 19. Confusing Words. Homonyms. A homonym is a word that has the same spelling and sound as another word, but a different meaning. Word origin. Greek. Having the same name. Homos, same. Onoma, name. For example, saw, a cutting tool, and so the past tense of see are homonyms. These words have the same spelling and sound but different meanings. Read these sentences to learn about some homonyms. The boys are playing with a ball outside. Or Cinderella met the prince at the ball. The bat flies around at night. Or I lost my cricket bat. This book is very interesting. Or I would like to book a flight to Paris. She put her necklace inside the jewelry case. Or in that case, you should go home. In those hot days we used the fan. Or she is a great fan of the band. The old lady could not walk fast. Or it is a religious fast. The room seems just fine. Or he was fined for parking on the sidewalk. They turned left instead of right. Or he left as soon as he could. That is a terrible lie. Or you can lie on your back. Your suitcase was light. Or there is nothing as bright as the light of the sun. We are trying to train our dog. Or the train will be here soon. Be careful not to trip. Or they had a wonderful trip to the country. I can't bear this noise any longer. Or there was a giant bear in front of us. I hope that all is going well. Or she went to the well to fetch some water. Homographs. A homograph is a word that has the same spelling as another word but a different meaning. Sometimes their pronunciation are different too. Word origin. Greek. Having the same writing. Homos, same. Grapho, right. For example, bow, a weapon for shooting arrows, and bow, bending forward, are homographs. They have the same spelling but different meanings. They are also pronounced differently. Some homographs. I can swim. Or he brought a can of beans. You never close the door. Or they were standing close to each other. We live in the desert. Or you should never desert a boy in times of need. The officers must lead. Or these batteries have lead inside them. You live on the other side. Or we are now seen live on television. I'll be with you in a minute. Or her handwriting is so minute you can hardly see it. He likes to read. Or I read your essay yesterday. I saw a tear in her eye. Or she wanted to tear the letter. The wind was very strong. Or wind up all your work by tomorrow. The homographs in most of these examples have the same spelling and different pronunciation. But homographs can also have the same spelling and pronunciation. In that case, they can be classified as homophones and homonyms too. Homophones. A homophone is a word that has the same sound as another word, but a different meaning. They have different spellings too. For example, meat and meat are homophones. Word origin Greek, having the same sound. Homos, same. Phone, sound. Read these pairs of sentences to learn about homophones. I can't bear this noise any longer. Or, he likes to walk around in bare feet. She has long, dark hair. Or, the king needed an ear. They can't look him in the eye. Or, this is between you and I. You should be together. Or, there is a bee in the room. She can buy it from the market. Or, wait for us by the river. Our dear Poonam is getting married. Or, we saw a deer in the forest. He has always been to the fore at moments of crisis. Or, 4 balls of soup, please. He is standing right here. Or, we could not hear a thing. We arrived an hour ago. Or, this is our house. There is a hole in your shirt. Or, the whole room was quiet. They know everything about it. Or, no, and that's final. She does not eat meat. Or, we meet every now and then. He has 1 test left. Or, they finally born. You are always right. Or, I write my own letters. The sea was calm that day. Or, it was too dark to see anything. Amar is my son. Or, the sun is high up in the sky. Let's go to his place. Or, there were 2 of them. Or, I can help too. He seemed so weak at first. Or, it will probably happen this week. The homophones in these example sentences have different spellings and same pronunciation. But homophones can also have the same spelling and pronunciation. In that case, they can be classified as homographs and homonyms too. Heteronyms. A heteronym is a word that has the same spelling as another word, but different pronunciation and meaning. The words in the list of homographs above are all heteronyms too. Word origin Greek, having a different name. Hetero, different. Onyms, name.